Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I'm going to have the water test on the brand new just released Google Pixel 5. I feel like this water test is going to be slightly extreme in a sense where I'll be starting with low pressure, then medium pressure, then high pressure, and then submerging it underwater with pressure as well. Google does claim that this phone has an IP68 rating, which I believe means that it can be submerged underwater for about 30 minutes and about 2 to 3 meters. Other YouTubers on this platform, I am aware, have done water tests on this video, on this phone, but in my opinion isn't enough because they just literally got this and put it in a bowl of water and they took it back out again. That's not enough. In my opinion, a real water test, whether to check whether the IP68 rating is true, is whether or not does it withstand under high pressure water. That would make sure that you're actually 100% certain that if you bring this out in a very heavy rainfall, or you accidentally dropped it in a swimming pool or at the beach or whatever, will it survive? So this is the real water test in my opinion, and it will conclude whether Google actually sealed this phone watertight or not. As you know, at the back, guys, it comes with a plastic back. So compared to the Pixel 4 XL, which in my opinion looks more premium, this comes with a plastic back, and it also has a screen where when you press it, it has sort of like an air gap between the actual main LCD and the front glass panel. So let's see whether water actually ingresses inside the screen or goes inside the screen, or has an effect on the plastic. So let's start with low pressure first. So as you can see, I'm putting it on the phone. No, I don't want. There you go, low pressure. So I'm going to increase the pressure now, medium. I'm putting it inside the port here. So this is the USB Type-C port. I'm going to put it inside. There you go, nothing happening. Okay, now high pressure. I'm going to leave it in high pressure. There you go. As you can tell, nothing's happening. I'm going to give it a little shake around. Dunk it in, dunk it out, dunk it in. Nothing happens. So I'm going to put it on the high pressure again. Very high pressure now, extremely high pressure. See what happens. Check it in. Literally extremely high pressure. Look. Literally. So there you go, this is the phone. Still working. Drop it in, take it back out, drop it in, take it back out, drop it in, take it back out, drop it in, take it back out. There you go. The phone's still working. Okay, everything's still working. I put it inside the USB Type-C port here, as you can see, and it's still intact. You know, everything still works. So I'll put it again at the back, see what happens. There you go, still works. Let's block the sink for a second. Just put it shut. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Right, still work. Can you use it underwater? You can't, of course, but it still works, as you can see. It's still responsive, perfectly fine, perfectly normal, nothing, no issues at all with the phone, as you can tell. Going to increase the pressure again. Perfectly normal. Okay, so the phone actually turned off now, so let's just see. Does that mean it's broken? Nope, phone still works perfectly fine. Does it have an IP68 rating? I think it does. Does it withstand my water test? Yes, it does. So even if you drop it like this from a height into this, it would be fine. You can see that. Yeah, it even you know, has impact collision as well. You know, if you accidentally throw it in a pool of water like this, oh, does it work? See? Give it a little shake off. Still works. perfectly fine. Still has that amazing 90Hz display, everything like that. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the water test on this phone. Please, if you want more videos on this Google Pixel 5, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best. And I will see you guys later. If you want me to do a water test on any other phones, I know I'll be doing on the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini as well. So leave your comments down below guys. If there's any other phones you want me to try on, let me know and I'll try my best to do it. Have a nice day guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye! Bye!